Police make £54 million as record 1.4 million drivers take retraining courses. Majority of retraining courses for speeding drivers, police forces received increased revenue from September last year. A record 1.4 million motorists attended driver retraining courses in 2016, bringing in an estimated £54 million for police forces across the country. Of those, the majority, 1.2 million, were for drivers taking speed awareness courses. The retraining courses are managed by the National Driver Offending Retraining Scheme, but are run by a number of private companies. Last September, the amount of money police forces are given for each driver taking a course rose from £35 to £45, generating an estimated £54 million for police each year, money that is used to reimburse forces for the cost of catching speeding drivers. UK speeding fines, law changes explained. Police forces across the UK are able to offer retraining courses in lieu of penalty points for certain offences, such as speeding and not wearing a seat belt. The total number of drivers attending courses in 2017 increased by 2% over the previous year. Later this year, however, drivers are expected to be issued with penalties for driving in closed smart motorway lanes, and may be offered the National Motorway Awareness course instead of receiving points and a fine. But while some police forces send significant numbers of drivers on retraining courses, other constabularies failed to send a single driver on one in 2016. This trend was highlighted by Steve Gooding, Director of Motoring Research, the RAC Foundation, who said, "What might perplex drivers is how the number of offenders sent on speed awareness courses differs hugely by constabulary. In 2016, 80,235 drivers were offered the courses in Avon and Somerset. In neighbouring Wiltshire, nobody was. In order to qualify for a speed awareness course, drivers will typically need to have been caught doing between 10% or plus 2 miles per hour over the speed limit, and 10% or plus 9 miles per hour. This means a motorway speeder will need to have been caught at between 79 and 86 miles per hour, while someone caught in a 30 miles per hour zone may qualify if they were doing between 35 and 42 miles per hour. Drivers who are offered a course often pay varying amounts depending on where they live. Motorists in Northamptonshire paid £75 for courses, while Essex residents were charged £99.